Hello, citizens. I value transparency between a leader and the people, and because of this, I'd like to take the time to inform the wonderful citizens of Sellville of who I truly am and what I'm truly about. I, the chloroplast, am one of the most vital organelles to life. I have a passion for providing for others, especially my cells. I am usually found in the cells of plants' leaves. I have two membranes, one of each are outer and an inner membrane. However, there is an empty space between both of my membranes. Inside of my organelle, you can find thylakoids, which are the components that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun, and it is inside the thylakoids. This is where the light energy is changed into chemical energy. Stroma, aqueous and located outside of the thylakoids in the organelle, is separated from the space between the inner and outer membrane. In the stroma, also, carbon dioxide from the air and the environment is converted to carbs. However, it is the function of the organelle as a whole which carries out the process of creating energy for the plant and oxygen for the outside environment. The function of myself as an organelle, photosynthesis, is important for many organisms, and therefore ecosystems. Photosynthetic organisms are considered primary producers, which allow for energy to be distributed and passed through ecosystems or food webs. The energy which passes through photosynthetic organisms, which are the first link between the sun's energy and all other organisms on Earth, which consume it through differing means. Whether it is directly or indirectly, chloroplasts are responsible for much of Earth's organisms' life functions. Recently, despite my sole purpose to provide most plants with energy and passion, as well to provide many animals with vital resources like oxygen to survive, there have been some horrible, saddening, and even upsetting smears put upon my good reputation. To set the record straight, oxygen is merely a byproduct, which I create during photosynthetic reactions. I understand that oxygen is not for everyone to survive. However, I do not intend to have a preference of organisms. In fact, my purpose is specifically to produce energy and not create any adverse products or reactions which are aimed to harm any organisms. Any instance of said harm occurring are merely accidental. Thank you for your time and make sure to vote chloroplasts.